proceed further with the program, I would like to request Ms. Madhu Das Gupta to give the vote of thanks to those who have made this event possible.
Namaskar, salam and good evening. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks for this occasion. I, on behalf of Ganer Asher, extend a huge applause to all participants who have spent incredible amount of hours planning, practicing and showcasing today's event. I hope you all are having a fantastic time watching the scintillating performances and soaking up the ambience of Bidesh Amar Swadesh. Events like this do not happen overnight. The wheels started rolling many months ago when Javed Bhai started working on the program concept along with planning, coordinating and script writing. Without his initiative and leadership, today's evening wouldn't have happened. Along with him, Aminda, Liton, Bani, Nipa, Nargis have supported him through this journey. So thank you to you all. We cannot let the artists who have performed today go without receiving accolades. The list of participants is huge and I cannot name each individual performer. I would leave it for the MCs to name them. But I need to let you know that all of you are wonderful performers. The dances, songs, solo performances, everything has been great and all of us are enjoying this evening thoroughly. A big thank you to our MCs, Sami, Manal and Bushra for their efforts towards anchoring today's program. My deepest sense of appreciation for their presentation style and explanation of everything. Dilshana Parul, whom I greatly admire for her commitment to traditional classical dance and the finesse with which she presents. Thank you for choreographing the dances performed by Fairoz, Riyasha, Chumki, Manoshi and Preeta as well as her own. Showcasing a live cultural event is by no means easy. Using proper sound and lighting equipment essentially brings the presentation alive so that the audience are able to connect with the performers and the message. A huge thank you to our audio-visual technical team led by Sami Azam, who is well supported by Iftikhar Ehsan, HM Shumon, Tawneed, Tanveer Ahmed Niloy, Asif Kareem, Imran Shojib and Pratik Devnath. What an amazing team and what a wonderful work they have done today. I would also like to thank Joydeep Roy for hiring today's sound system, Charles Darwin University for providing us with this beautiful venue, and Brad Sound Company for setting up sound system and lighting, and again Sami for liaising with the university to hire this venue. Today's venue wouldn't have looked this amazing if Nipa, Liton, Bani, Nargis, Eva and Pritul hadn't put in hours and hours of their time in preparing the artwork and the props. Please give them a big round of applause. Also thank you to Mahi, Popidi, Nipa and Nargis for providing their homes for rehearsals both during the weekdays as well as weekends. Thank you. Now, no matter how good an event is, it's never complete without food, especially amongst Bangladeshi community. So thank you to Misbah Aman and family for catering today's event, and Aminda for managing tasks and logistics associated with catering. And last but not the least, I would like to thank you all for coming. Without your presence and continued support, we would never be able to put on an event like this. So thank you.